Good evening, student. Let's start today's lecture. Revision exercise 6A. We have discussed about V board mass. V means vinculum or bar. You can say bar. This is the order to solve any simplification question. Okay. V for bracket. There are three types of bracket: small bracket, curly braces, and then square brackets. Okay. O for off basically means for multiplication. Okay. D for divide, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. This is the order we need to follow for solving the simplification questions. Okay, let's take the question number 1. In this question we have division, multiplication and subtraction. According to board mass, we first need to divide these values. So first we need to solve this value, means 12 divided by 3. Remaining values we need to write as it is. 12 divided by 3, that is 4 into 2. Now next is multiplication. 4 cross 2. 4 cross 2 means 8. Then last 21 minus 8, that is 13. 13 is our answer according to board mass. Okay. We need to follow this order strictly to find our correct answer. Let's take another question. Next take another question. Question number. This is our next question. 36 minus brackets 18 minus bracket 14 minus 15 minus 4 divided by 2 cross 2. So first need to solve this bracket, a small bracket according to bracket. Then in bracket we need to solve the division. So we will write like 46 minus 18, 14 minus 15 minus 4 divided by 2, that becomes 2, and 2 cross 2. Next is 36 minus 18. Now we need to solve this. We are still in small brackets. 15 minus 4. Now we can solve this particular small brackets by solving this subtraction. 36 minus 18 minus 14 minus 11. Now our small bracket is removed. Now next turn is curly braces. 14 minus 11. 36 minus 18 minus 3. Now we have done with curly braces. Now next is square brackets. 18 minus 3. 36 minus 18 minus 3, that becomes 15. Now our final solution is 21. That is our answer for this particular simplification. But one thing remember always, for solving these questions, strictly follow this particular board mass rules. Okay, let's take another question. Okay, this is the next question. In this question we have mixed fraction values. So first we need to convert it into improper fraction values. Like 9 4 to 36, 39 by 4 divided by 6 2 12, 13 by 6 plus 4 3 are 12, 13 by 3 minus 2 1s are 2, 3 by 2 plus 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Okay, this is the manner. Now first we need to solve this small bracket according to our board mass. Okay, and remaining as it is. 13 by 6 plus 13 by 3 minus, now it becomes 2 and 4, LCM of 2 and 4, that is 4. 3 2s are 6 plus 7. Now next step, 39 by 4 divided by 13 by 6 plus minus 6 plus 7, 13 by 4. Okay, now next 13 by 6 plus, now we have 3 4, the LCM of 3 4 is 12. 13 3s are 39 minus, sorry, 13 4s are 52 and 13 3s are 39. Now 39 upon 4 divided by 13 by 6 plus 13 upon 12. Okay, 39 by 4. Next 6 and 12 as 12. 13 2s are 26 plus 13. 39 by 4 divided by 39 by 12. Now we can convert the division into multiplication by taking the reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Now come here, that is 39 by 4, and we are doing for the second value, not the first value. Now 39 and 39 cancel out, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Our answer is 3. Okay. So first we need to convert into normal fraction or improper fraction. After that, order wise according to BODMAS we can solve this question. Thank you. That's it for this particular question. Now we have this question number 14. In previous class we have discussed how BODMAS will apply in the questions. So now let's take the question again. So this is bar or vinculum. So first we need to solve this vinculum. Okay. And side by side we can apply the improper fraction rule here. 4 5s are 20, 24 by 5 divided by 2 5s are 10, 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2, 1 upon 4. That is 5 by 4 minus. Now LCM of 5 and 4, that is 20. So it becomes 5 minus 4. And bar will be removed. Okay. Now 24 by 5, 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 4 minus, that is 1 by 25 minus 4, that is. Now it's time for small bracket. 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2. LCM of 4 and 20, that is 20. 5 5s are 25 minus 1. Okay, 24 by 5 divided by 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Now here is no sign. If no sign is given, then we will take as multiplication or product. So multiplication sign is there after removing the bracket. 25 minus 1, that is 24 by 20. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24. Okay, then 4 3s are and 4 5s are. We can simplify where it is needed. 11 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Now we have 24 by 5 divided by, next 5, LCM of 5 and 5 is 5 minus 3. Now come here 24 by 5 divided by 8 by 5. Now again division is there, so we can convert it into multiplication. Now 24 by 5 and reciprocal of this 5 plus 5, 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That is our answer is 3. Okay, simple. If you want to take bar you can take as it is a normal simple condition. Okay, simple condition or simple bracket condition. So solve it separately. After that you can merge the questions in the proper manner. Side by side you can solve the mixed fraction into improper fraction and do the things where simplification is needed. For in multiplication or division case, where simplification is needed, you can simplify easily for each question. Okay, and after that for solving the division case, you need to convert it into multiply. Then you will solve the question. Multiply means you need to find the reciprocal, or you need to convert the second value's reciprocal. Means always change the second value, not the first value, because first value no impact. Second value you will change. Then reciprocal means denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Okay, in this manner you can solve each of these following questions. And that's it for this particular lecture. We will continue in next lecture, and that's it for exercise 6A also. Revise all the questions. Okay, we will take next chapter in next lecture. Thank you.